Unlocking a chat in WhatsApp is a straightforward process, especially if you've previously archived it or locked it for privacy reasons. If you have archived a chat, you can easily unarchive it by scrolling to the top of your chat list, where you'll find the Archived section. Simply tap on this, locate the chat you wish to unlock, and swipe left on iPhone, or tap and hold the chat on Android. You'll then see an option to unarchive it, which will return the chat to your main chat list. For chats that have been locked with a passcode or biometric security, unlocking involves entering the correct password, PIN, or using your fingerprint or face recognition depending on your device's security settings. To do this, open WhatsApp and navigate to the locked chat. If it requires biometric authentication, simply authenticate using your fingerprint or face ID. If you set a password or PIN, enter it to access the chat. Unlocking a chat restores access to all messages within that conversation, allowing you to continue the discussion or view the messages you've missed. It's important to keep in mind that locked chats can be protected for additional privacy, and unlocking them will expose the content to anyone with access to your phone.